Good evening, everybody, and welcome to another live stream by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. So, for this very long month, which started from last Friday and will be there till 30th of July, we are going to have a first expiry tomorrow. So far, the week has been really calm. And remember, on Monday also we analyzed where the markets, what is the range for the markets based on whatever is happening in the option chain. So I can now claim that okay, all those things are still holding on. Market is very well within that range only, right? So let us analyze today also. It's important to see what is going to happen tomorrow morning in the markets. And so first weekly expiry in Nifty for long month series. Let's say what kind of expiry we can expect. Hopefully my voice is audible. If it is audible, please confirm so that we can start the video. And meanwhile, all of you who are coming, who have still not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And when you are subscribing, it's good that okay, if you press that bell icon also, so that whenever we are coming live, you will get the notification. And if you don't want to press the bell icon, that is also okay. Somebody today asked me, sir, I want to subscribe to your channel, but I don't want to press the bell icon. I said, okay, I don't mind. So if you're not coming live, you can see the video at a later stage also. So bell icon, purely your choice. But yes, you must subscribe to the channel if you have still not subscribed to the channel, if you're interested in knowing things about option trading in India. Thanks for all of you confirming that the voice is audible. So nice of you, and welcome to all of you again for this live stream. And all of you are already the subscribers of the channel. You know what to do. All of us need to press that like button before we start. I think Dr. Rajan said we should be having somewhere around 101 likes before the video starts. And Dr. Rajan has good say with all the subscribers of this channel, and so at least we are having decent number of likes, right? Great, and thanks to all of you for doing that. And all of you who have still not done, please go ahead and press that like button. So how was the day today for all of you? Market was very calm in the beginning, and suddenly I don't know what happened. All the world was really calm, and somewhere around I think 1 o'clock, market started moving up very sharply, and it really went up to almost 10,430 levels. I think if I'm not wrong, it's more than 120 130 points plus from yesterday, which was not very expected. If you see in the morning today, SGX Nifty was giving us a negative start, and markets never gave us a negative start. They started with positive, although I think maybe for a short time they might have gone down by 10-15 points, but then after that it was a sudden rise in the markets, right? So some of you say, okay, Dr. Rajan says everything is every day is good. That's really good. So 140 to 150 plus from 350. Yes, Mr. Ghosh, it was really a sharp move. And Rupali says booked 5K profit. Congrats to you. Dr. Murthy says it was good for me. So the problem with the option trader is that okay, if market goes up by certain points, it is good for you, and if market further go up by some more points, it start becoming bad, right? So there is a range within which market will be decent, and after that range gets crossed, it becomes a difficult situation on the other side. So welcome once again, Mr. Narendra Pratap. Welcome to a gold membership, and hope you will like the conversations here. Okay, RBI comment on one-time restructuring. So basically, it was Bank Nifty driven markets, the sharp move, because we have seen that okay, Bank Nifty suddenly moved up by I think not less than 200-300 points, followed by Nifty. So banking stocks lifted up, and later on I've seen Bank Nifty somewhat relaxing a bit. But now tomorrow is the expiry, and it is very interesting to see what will happen. Right, very boring and good for us, Shashikaran. That's really good. Always expect the unexpected. That is very true for the markets. Combo 2 position is in reasonable profit, so it's a good time, Mr. Jairam, to book those book profits, right? So we have booked decent profits in our combo 2. We have booked good decent profits in one of our strategies, hedge trades also. So it's good to book profits, because any profits, I'll say any movement of 200 points in any direction will start spoiling the profits. So good time to book profits if you have not booked so far. Nifty nowadays a 5 company index. Okay, yes, that is prevalent from quite a time. Welcome, Pradap, and welcome, Mr. Sharma. We are missing you. We are not there from last few days. Okay, let us see now what has happened. Is a market in this week are really calm, right? If you see what has happened, uh, uh, Friday 383 close, 29th 312, 302, and if only today you can say okay there was a move, but market is, for so far market has lost its volatile structure, right? It has not moved the way it has been moving in past few months. So it was a very calm week. So what are the effects of calm week? Effects of calm week are mostly the option sellers start feeling very comfortable. You start feeling very comfortable with your portfolio also. Most of your trades, if they are not giving profit, they start giving you uh, your losses get uh, drastically reduced. So even if they are not profit, most of your trades are now started breaking even. And this kind of market, complete 1 week, I will say, within 100 points only, right? This kind of markets will definitely bring in a lot of complacency, and then trader tend to get slightly casual. That's why I was again and again saying, have you booked profit, have you booked profit? So what happens in these kind of markets is that okay, we start getting complacent, that okay, this market is not going anywhere, my this trade, my that trade will definitely give me more profit. If I'm having 30 rupees profit, I start waiting for 50 rupees. If I have 50 rupees, I start waiting for another 30 rupees. Remember one thing, we are just in the beginning of the month. So I have seen so many trades even in July, they are melting like anything. Employed volatility has reduced. So the biggest dilemma even for me was that okay, shall I book these trades, shall I take the profit? Because after so many days it has happened that okay, you have created a trade, and few days into the trade and you are having a profit, right? So the dilemma is that okay, still the whole month is lying there, and now if I book the profit, what is the new trade which I will take, right? I hope the same thing is happening with you also. If your existing trade is in profit and you want to book the profit, the desirable profit has come, then what will happen? If I book the profit, what will happen? What new trade I will take? The problem is, I am very much liking my trade. If I close it, what will be the new trade? Now, in these kind of scenarios, what we need to do is we need to book the profit, and not trading is also a good strategy. So book your profit, and if required, don't do anything for a few days. If everything has happened at 300, 400 levels, that means we have taken sufficient trades, we have taken some profit. Let us now wait. Let us now wait and see, can market go towards maybe 10,600, 700 levels, or back towards 10,000 levels. Obviously, it will not remain stagnant at 10,300 levels. So we need to see that okay, let us book these trades and wait, because it's a very long month. The month has just started today, right? So we can always book profits and wait for the next levels to create our new trades. Let us see what is happening on the expiry front. Okay, market has closed today at 10,430, right? So if I treat 10,400 as at the money, or 10,450 at the money, what is the straddle premium? 43 rupees plus 73 rupees, roughly around 70, 40, 110, 116 rupees. And 116 rupees and 10,450. If I add this, it takes market to somewhere around 10,550 levels. Remember, when we analyze the markets on Monday also, we said the upper extreme seems to be 10,550. The similar kind of expectations traders are having from the market, whether it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday gone, and even on Thursday opening, we have a similar kind of expectation that okay, this market may not be going above 10,550 on upside. And if I subtract, let us say, to be on safer side, let us take the total of 10,400, which again is 67 plus 47, again 114 rupees. We can take it, subtract from 10,400 also, which makes it somewhere in between 10,250 to 300, right? Again, very similar levels. Only change what I can see is that okay, we have a 10,300 highest open interest now, which was hovering around 10,000. Now also the difference is hardly anything. Can you see the difference is hardly anything? 34 lakh 26,000 versus 35 lakh 30,000. And today we have seen a very robust build up at these put 10,300. So if you see by straddle premium, still the range can be somewhere from 10,300 to 10,550. And if we see from highest open interest, if you literally see the highest open interest, it is at 10,300 on put side and 10,500 on call side. Although what we have seen today, what we have seen is a solid strong unwinding at 10,400, strong unwinding at 10,300, a little bit of unwinding at 10,500 also. So most of the call sellers have run away from these positions. Maybe they have taken some of the positions at these levels, or maybe they have already shifted to next week or monthly series, so that in case there is a movement in the market, the call positions do not get really badly affected. Now based on this, we can see that okay, market seems to be going to trade between 10,300 and 10,550. But my other concern is, if you see this slide, market is very dull for the whole week. Now another thing can be, although on the news front, on the global front, everything seems to be very calm, but generally what happens is, when this kind of long dullness or long calm is there in the market, markets are always looking for opportunities to make a big move in any direction. So that is also possible. If many of you must be doing that Bollinger Bands also. In that also, you see, if you get a band which is very calm, very thin for sufficiently long period means 4 days are pretty long for these kind of markets. In markets, 4 days are also long period. So after that, you see a sudden jump upside or downside in any direction. So tomorrow's expiry, possible, based on whatever we are seeing on highest open interest, possible that okay, it can be very dull, right? But another possibility which cannot be ruled out is that tomorrow's expiry can be used as an excuse to really swing the market in one direction, and then and it can happen really in the second half of the day. If the first half of the day is, let us say, normal, based on whatever we are seeing on SGX Nifty or whatever is happening to other markets, no big movements are visible as of now. Suppose markets are very normal in the morning, we can see a decent move in one side, and then what happens, you see, these people are really at risk. Now these people, if they stay here, 13 lakh position, 16 lakh position, 30 lakh plus this 7 lakh, if you see, 30 plus 7, 37 lakh positions created on put side. And if the market operator really wants to create a panic, a sudden 100 points fall, and all these positions will then you see, it's like they keep on licking their wounds for another week, right? So one thing we must be sure that okay, these kind of weeks, the whole week was very good for trading. Now the expiry may not be great for trading. I may be absolutely wrong that okay, this expiry can be very dull, and then you can say, sir, unnecessarily made me conservative. But again, we have to see, the first principle is we have to safeguard our capital, right? First rule is I need to safeguard my capital. So if I am able to safeguard my capital, so given a choice, since I have already made money in this week, I will not like to trade this week expiry at all based on whatever is happening. Whenever the highest open interests are very, very close, if you see 10,500 and 10,300, they are just 200 points close. Whenever the highest open interests are very close, it's again an observation, no rule. I do not have any justification for this. It is observed whenever highest open interests are very, very close. What is observed? Can anybody share with me? I have told it 100 times in earlier videos also. That will also give me a break for water, and that will also give you a option to press that like button. We still have scope of another 150 likes, 253 watching, 104 likes. So give me a water break for 10 seconds, and meanwhile I'm expecting you the answer from you. What will happen, what generally happens when the highest open interests are very, very close in the strike price? Okay, thanks for few likes, not up to the level, but anyway, whatever you people decide, that's final. uh, Sridhar says yes, market breaks the range, breakout, break up or break down. uh, is it like markets become very volatile on day of expiry, break up or break down? Yes, not flat. See, whenever the highest open interest levels are very, very thin, the distance between highest open interest call and highest open interest put gets reduced, then chances are market will definitely make a move in one direction. Whenever there is a huge gap between highest open, let us say highest open interest on put side is 10,000 and highest open interest on call side is 10,800. So whenever there is a huge gap in highest open interest, that time we can safely assume that okay, this market is not going to make a big move. But whenever the gap between the 2 points gets reduced, then chances of making a big move are high. You see, I'm again, please mind my words, I'm saying chances of making big move are high. It's not a confirmed thing that okay, since we have discussed that okay, uh, I have listened in the video and then I will go ahead and buy a lot of calls and puts. No, you cannot play it like that. I'm saying chances are high, but whether it will happen, whether it will not happen, is the markets are always there to surprise you. So that is why I'm saying in this case, whole week was dull. Market has not moved by more than 100 points in any direction. Highest open interest on both the sides is uh, very, you can say range bound. So two things definitely make it a point that okay, this market can make a volatile expiry tomorrow. Chances are there, right? Market breaks up or down to unwinding. Mr. Modi says, I don't like video, I like you, sir. Already liked. Wow, you don't like the video but you like me. Oh, what a good statement, Mr. Prasad. Killing on both sides, Dr. Kadam. Yes, it can be really volatile. But again, there are no guarantees in these markets. Markets can always surprise you. We can have a very dull expiry, and then we can maybe next week, next Friday when the new series become more active, we can have a volatile move. But that is sure that market cannot remain like this for long. 4 days I think are sufficient for markets to show that calmness. So as an expert option trader, what you need to do whenever these kind of calmness is there, try to book your profits. And suppose after that market goes to some another level, let us say it goes to, I'm not saying anything that whether it should go to 10,100 or 10,600. So if it goes to, let us say, 10,100, then we can create our new bets, and if it goes to 10,600, create your new bets. So I personally would like to wait for a little bit of move in the market in any direction before committing the second round of your funds in the market, right? As far as expiry is concerned, we can be pretty sure that okay, as soon as market crosses 10,500 or goes closer to 10,550, that should be a good opportunity to maybe short some calls of next week, not of this week. Please mind, next week you can sell something like 10,800, 10,700. Because even if market really breaks up, we will have full 1 week to take care of those positions. And if market again goes back and it started touching 10,300, that will be a good opportunity to sell puts of next week, which can be in the range of 10,000 or 99. So we need to give space to the market. We need to stay away from the market, and we need to take benefit if we really want to do these kind of trades. Not in Europe, you are not missing anything. Don't feel bad about it. I don't recommend these kind of trades, but so many of you keep on writing, sir. Okay, at least on expiry, tell us what kind of a simple trade we can do. So that is why every time I'm coming and explaining this. I may not be doing these kind of trades very strongly. I may be hardly doing any trades like this, right? I may or may not be. So there is no compulsion that okay, I also need to do all these trades. So I'm just giving you a piece of caution, right, as a friendly advice, that okay, be cautious. If market has been stable, there is no reason for us to become very complacent. Another third thing which we generally measure in this market is what is the congestion. So this is 32 lakhs on call side, and I'll take it as 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs plus 32 lakhs becomes 37 lakhs, and this is 20 lakhs on call side, 21, so roughly around 41 lakhs, and 10,300 is roughly around 10 versus 35, 45. So no big congestion zones we are seeing. 10,300 is 45, 10,400 is 40, 10,500 is also 37. So that is also not indicating any levels. So if I really go by copybook style, 10,300 is highest. So can we see that okay, markets can go towards 10,300? I really don't know. But this third parameter by which we are analyzing markets, this definitely shows. But yes, these numbers definitely will change tomorrow, because a lot of expiry tradings are happening, right? Uh, Range compression is mostly a prelude to volatile move in the market. Yes, that is the calm before the storm. Very rightly said, Mr. Murli. Long strangle after not calendar spread. I don't think so. That should be a good thing to do. Market may give 1 day additional break. So expiry trades make money and should. So is that a wishful thinking, or is that a wishful thinking, or that's a suggestion? I really don't know. Okay, what is Mr. Ghosh saying? Some more likes. We are 130 short. Yes, some more likes, please. So most market unlikely to cross 10,600, but if it crosses, it can move heavily upward direction as per technical charts. One of my friend is giving me these numbers. So somewhere around 10,560, 559 is the level. If market crosses that and sustains there, definitely the next level is somewhere around 10,750. So 200 points up move can be there. If market can sustain 100 points up move from here. So that is based purely on technical analysis. So whether that is happening or not, I really don't know. But there is definitely a scope. You see, even on Monday we said 10,550 to 10,200. Even on Wednesday, the similar range is still very wide open, and we need to see what happens to the market. Right? Tomorrow we'll get chance to set trade on either extremes of next expiry. That's the right thing to do. VIX also has come down. Yes, market has gone up. VIX has come down. So everything so far is looking very normal, right? Visual thinking only. Okay, that's good, Mr. Perfect Traders. Last few days we were great into positions for second. You booked profit yesterday and taken new positions. That's really good. So whenever you are getting a profit, never wait for 100% profit. As soon as you get 50 to 60% of the possible profit, it makes good sense to book the profit in options, right? Okay, let's see what is happening to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has today closed at a decent level, 21,977, almost touching 22,000. And if you see, if I say 22,000 is a straddle, so 168 plus 263, still a big move from 168 to 263. ability is there. So 160 plus 263, 64, 420 and another 10 rupees. 430 rupees are there in the straddle. That means market can definitely make a upside or downside move for maybe 500 rupees. So what is highest open interest? Highest open interest seems to be here, 823, which is exactly 500 points from the market. And what about highest open interest on put side? Oh, 21,000. Right, so 21,000 and 22,500, and market at 22,000. So what is happening to change in open interest? Where is the highest change in open interest? Okay, I'll say it is here only, and on this side is again 21,000. Okay, so 21 and 22.5. If I just I'm sort of a stats guy, so if I take a middle point of that, that means 21,750. So can we have expiry somewhere close to 21,750? That is one point. Another point is 22,000 is definitely having roughly around 500 points. So maybe 500 points up, 500 points down, and ultimately market may settle down somewhere around 21,750, 800, 900. I would be really surprised if it really goes beyond 22, 200 kind of move, because as of now, traders are fully invested on this side, right? Traders are not at all interested on this side. But then we should not be analyzing these things in isolation. Because of weekly expiry, there are other opportunities also. So maybe a real trader just do not want to reveal his positions on the front expiry, and maybe in the hidden agenda is that okay, there are a lot of positions created in the next week, there are a lot of positions created on the monthly side also, right? So we really need to be very, very cautious on these things. In any case, Bank Nifty also can definitely and very easily show a 500 plus point plus and minus move. So all of you need to be very, very careful if you are trading in Bank Nifty. What Mr. Bhave is saying, position for 9th July to be taken on Friday evening. You can take it tomorrow also, depending upon what is your earlier position, right? For me, I have taken positions on 9th July right from Monday, because from Monday I found that okay, my 2nd July positions, I am not at all greedy. The kind of profit I wanted from my 2nd July positions, I got it on Monday, and I squared them off, and now I have created my 9th July positions on also. So maybe if given an opportunity, if market is very dull even tomorrow, most probably I will see that okay, most of my 9th July positions are also getting booked even tomorrow also. So there is no fixed day, but as soon as you get the opportunity, you see what is happening. What we need to understand is every day, whatever position you have taken, if there is a decay, that means your risk reward is changing. If I give you examples, you have taken some position where you have got 80 rupees as right, and there is a 30 rupees risk, right? So once that 80 has become, now the risk reward is 80-30, but once that 80 has melted to 50, so your risk reward becomes 50-60. So whether I should hold on to that position when my risk reward has changed, that call you have to take many times. So I prefer that okay, I will not stick to this position if I am not in a position to take this as a fresh trade also. If this trade is a sound trade as a fresh trade also, then I'll stay in that trade. Otherwise, if I am having a profit in the trade, I will not think twice to book that profit, right? When can we say that monthly option chain is mostly mature? You see, you have to see the numbers. You have to see what kind of open interest is there. Generally, it has been seen that okay, after second, third expiry only it becomes, so everything becomes much more like a weekly expiry. If you see, definitely volumes are more in the weekly thing. Gap opening tomorrow will create havoc in sellers. Yes, that is definitely true. Break even for the current month is 9 to 11 380. Oh, that is very, very wide. But still, if profit is there, take the profit and maybe create something new and something much more safer than this also, right? Okay, July schedule 11th and 12th July. Welcome to all of you who have already booked their seat. and anybody who is interested, he can contact us on our numbers. I'm going to show that numbers. And toss also, welcome to all of you who have already taken the strategy, and we will be conducting a webinar almost of 1 hour for toss on Saturday 4th July, and now we have fixed that okay, the timings will be 4:30 to 5:30, right? So you will be getting an invite if you have already purchased a toss, so you will be getting an invite for this webinar on your mail ID by 4 p.m. on Saturday, right? Anybody is still interested, he can go ahead, and we will include his mail also on for this webinar, wherein we would like to explain what is our perspective on this strategy, right? Any butterfly trade suggestion? Yes, you can definitely do some baby butterfly. I was checking that, I just forgot. If you see 10,400, 450, it's hardly costing you anything. 43 is 86, and 67 and 24 is roughly around 90. So if similar kind of prices are there, then this baby butterfly is available in not more than 5-6 rupees. Similarly on downside, 30 is 60, and 47 plus 19 is 66. Even this butterfly is available in 6 rupees. So you can definitely create 10, 3, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, or 400, 450, 500. Yes. So you can cover the markets from 300 to 500 by paying roughly around 11 to 12 rupees. They can really be good, but as soon as you make some profit, try to book that profit. So your maximum loss can be, each butterfly maximum loss can be 6 rupees, maximum profit can be 44 rupees. And with the new system, you can leave them as it is also. There will be no extra STT penalty, and even if you leave that as it is, so maximum loss will be 6-7 rupees. And if it settles down at close to one of your selling price, you can earn 40-45 rupees also. So good opportunity in case markets open at these kind of levels, but you can always calculate wherever the market is opening. You can always calculate what is happening on those levels and create. But yes, you should be very quick enough to create that. In creation only, we should not lose another 4-5 rupees, right? You have already created 350 to 550 butterfly, 2 butterflies. That's really good for 6 each. So very smart. Our Mr. Ingrid Modi has already done that, right? That's really great. Hopefully you will be getting some decent profits. Wish you get some decent profits in that, right? So Mr. Shetty says more details. The toss is basically the option school distance option strategy, which we had announced, I think, somewhere last year. So it's basically a very passive income strategy which works on yearly options. So many people ask me what is the difference between combo 2 and toss. So combo 2 is passive income strategy for monthly income, and toss is basically passive income strategy for yearly income. You do not want to participate in the kind of moves market keep on moving up by 400 points, down by 500 points. So in these kind of volatile markets, if you do not want to participate in that, then you can create some toss trades in your system, and based on adjustments, based on whatever advice has been given, you can there can be a chance that okay, you may not be doing even a single adjustment in 3 months also, right? Right. If you want to become a member, participate in live chat, you can become a gold member. Want to connect with us on WhatsApp, become a diamond member. If you want to see some of our trades, become a smart hedge member for the button, or there is a link given in the description also, right? Oh, so still we are, although Mr. Ghosh has started it very early, but still, Mr. Ghosh, we are lagging with another 20-22 likes. Anyway, hopefully many of you will come and like it later, but there are at least another 50 people who can still contribute and at least like the video, so that we are very peaceful with 200 likes, right? So to join our workshops, you can contact us on any of these numbers. You can send us a WhatsApp message also, we will reply to that. And you can send us an email also, info@theoptionschool.in, if you need any other assistance from us. And do like this video. Okay, 189, we are very close. Thanks to all of you who have taken action now, and you are really contributing in the slog overs, right? Is there a combo 2 webinar, Mr. Murli? As of now, we have not planned it because combo 2 is really stabilized and only there in the system from almost, uh, if I'm not wrong, almost from 18, 19 months. So, and the number of people who would like to participate will be difficult to, take care in one seminar. TOS DOS is new. We have relatively less number of people, and there was a request, so we said, okay, let us do it for TOS DOS. For combo 2, as of now, we have not decided. Right? Nice start. So thanks. Most welcome, Mr. Narendra Pratap. Hope you will find our further conversations very interesting. So share this video to somebody whom you think it will be really useful, and write your comments. I really like, yesterday it was like a fight that, okay, our basic video series, 50% of people saying Hindi, 50% of people saying English. So it was a good fight, but yeah, let's see. And we have decided that, okay, we will try to do it in both the languages so that nobody feels left out, and definitely we'll be doing it in English as well as in Hindi also, right? So write your comments, write your feedback, write your questions in the comment section, and we will be more than happy to answer all your comments. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. You will hopefully find many useful things for discussion, right? Wish you all a very safe and profitable expiry. Don't go overboard, just be as safe as possible. And yesterday I would love to hear from you that, okay, you made this kind of money from this week at least. So book your profits, and if market really makes a volatile move, then that will become a new base for creating some new trades, right? So wish you all the best, and let's meet tomorrow at same time. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks.